welcome back to another vlog here in my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do, first time ko na I-think kagini mo, we're gonna do a skincare unboxing. Wow! So I received this package, I think, mga first week of October. And this skincare is called Looca! Looca red. So to those who are using the Looca products, they are called Loocarets. So yan guys, they gave me a Glow Gang skincare set and a Bubble and Brightening Beauty Bar. And this one is a Hydrating Toner Mist. Let's unbox first their Glow Gang skincare set. So this is what you're going to receive if you're going to order the Glow Gang skincare set. First impression sa package, big thumbs up. Especially, I really like pastel colors. Super attractive talaga sa akin yung mga pastel colors. And I really like their packaging. So it's really smooth and naka-engrave yung Looca na logo. And sa sides nila, you can see yung tagline nila. I don't know if makikita niyo yung tagline. We cute, we clean. Ano ba yun? We cute, we clean, we make skincare fun routine. Char! Rhyming. So dito naman guys, sa upper side is their socials. So dito ko lang ilagay. Follow them at Looca HQ sa Instagram. You can also follow the local distributors here in Bacolod City, which is ito yung page nila. So it's called Looca Negros Occidental, then Looca Bacolod Stockist. So ano ba yung Looca? I think Looca is a trending skincare na ata in Metro Manila, and now they're branching out here in Bacolod City. I was really lucky enough na pinadala nila ako ng PR package. And without further ado, kadugay sa akon, i-unbox na ni Ebliscad. So this set cost 480. What you'll be expecting sa insides is this one. Let's unbox this. It's a big reveal. Kasi Bliskad. Oh my god, so cute! Ay! Bloopers. So, take two. So, yung makikita mo inside the Glow Gang skincare set is this one. Dun, 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 dun. This one. What's inside is the clarity and the multitasking mousse. Ito yung makukuha nyo guys when you purchase the Glow Gang skincare set. So, isa-isayin natin guys ha. So, this is called the Clarifying Face Soap. So, at the back pala guys, there's skincare step nilalagay ni Looca. Ano ba yung clarifying? What's the clarifying face soap? So, it's a soap that is supercharged with plant-derived skin brighteners, aloe extract, and apricot scrub beads that effectively unclog pores, fight acne, and visibly lighten dark spots while keeping the skin moisturized. So, yan yung function ni clarifying face soap. So, the second step is the Brightening Serum. That's the Brightening Serum. Brightening Serum is a supercharged with niacinamide, tama ba? And a mixture of 7 organic plant extracts from the Swiss Alps that can calm your zits, lighten nasty blemishes, and visibly improve overall luminescence of skin while keeping it firm and healthy. So that's the function of the Brightening Serum. So the last one naman guys is the multitasking mousse. So cute. So this is the multitasking mousse. Yan siya. Ano siya? Parang press ata. Kaso hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Yan. So that's the lightening mousse. The lightening mousse is supercharged with SPF 70, collagen peptides, and antioxidants that work together to lighten blemishes, minimizes pores, and protects skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This weightless formula adapts to the color of your skin in a demi-matte finish, giving you a soft, glow all throughout the day. So this is the third step, guys, yung mousse. So yan, we're finished sa glow skincare set. So next one is this one. So this is called the Bubbly and Bright Brightening Beauty Bar. So tara, let's open it. So as usual, super smooth na packaging. Parang gift. Yung logo is engraved here, and upon opening, you can also see again the tagline of Looca Skincare, which is "Be cute, be clean, we make skincare fun routine." Ta-da! Ito yung laman. That's the Brightening Beauty Bar. So it leaves skin smooth, supple, and radiant, unclogs pores and prevents acne, visibly lightens dark spots, including armpits, elbows, and knees, improves overall luminescence of the skin. It's supercharged with aloe vera extract, activated charcoal, powerful plant-derived skin brighteners. So it's composed of kojic acid, papaya extract, alpha, arbutin, and glutathione. So directions, guys, you have to put it inside the exfoliating mesh. So akala ko ano lang siya lalagyan, but this is an exfoliating mesh. So you have to put the soap here and wet the soap with water. You have to gently rub it at your face for 2 to 3 minutes now for good results. And also you can rub it on your portions, the darker areas like armpits, elbows. So yeah, that's the function of the Brightening Beauty Bar. So we're on to our last product. This is Tipsy Not Thirsty Hydrating Toner Mist. Yan siya, guys. By the way, guys, yung Brightening Beauty Bar, this one, it cost 160 pesos. Then, this Hydrating Toner Mist naman is, yung cost niya is 280 pesos. So, what's this? Ano yung function nitong Hydrating Toner? So, it's a rose-infused facial spray that works double duty as a toner and mist. Gets your skin tipsy with just one spray. It refreshes your tired skin, control oils, prevents pimples, and lightens blemishes. This can also be used as a makeup remover. Ooh, ang dami niyang functions. So, whenever you feel na parang dry yung skin mo, you can just... and you're feeling refreshed na. So that's it, guys. That's our unboxing. It's just a short video. For the second video, I think I'll be using the Looca products for a week. And I'll be giving you updates every day if may bago ba akong nafe-feel while using the product, ano yung improvements sa face ko or sa mga darker areas ng body ko. So I'm so excited to use Looca products for a week. Yan, guys. The end of my unboxing. Sorry, I'm not really that professional in unboxing thing because this is my first time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I hope you guys find this entertaining. If you like this video, guys, please do give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Bye-bye!